Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to private our past post on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application on your phone, and after you open your Facebook application you can click on this button and then click on see your profile right here to open your Facebook profile and try to find the post that you want to private. And for example, I'm going to private this post, so just tap on this three dots button. And then since we want to private the post, we can click on the edit privacy option right here, and we can click on see more. Then we can click on only me to private the post. Alright, and after that we can go back to our Facebook profile. Alright guys, and that's how we can private our past post in Facebook. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.